The 2018 Hyundai Tucson. Boasting low noise and vibration levels and a smooth ride, the Tucson combines the rugged utility of an SUV with the maneuverability and refinement of a car. With its spacious interior, small never felt so big. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, MP3 player, CD player, power windows, passenger airbag. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.